This is the Riese Müller Carrie. The Carrie is designed as the ultimate compact cargo solution for urban areas. And how does it achieve this? Well, it uses a really clever opening up box on the front here. It's all made out of fully recycled plastic, which is another great feature from Riese Müller. But this top box does actually lock as well. So currently I can't open it, I can't get into it, which is great because as we go about our day to day, we don't want to be sat worrying about what's in the bike, is it being taken? So they've solved that solution for you instantly. Straight away, I can unlock it though with absolute ease. These are now fully locked, so I'm not concerned about them folding back in. Another great thing is the children's seats that are fitted on the inside also fold in with the box itself, making it really easy for a single parent to just simply take the bike and go about their day. This cargo box, because it's doubled in its size, you can now fit loads of boxes in here. It's all designed to take standard size Euro crates as it's come from Germany. So that's another great option. You can just have standard size boxes that you can lift in and out of the Carrie with absolute ease. You can have a fully waterproof cover that just goes over the top, so then you've waterproof whatever is on the inside here. We've had it out in the shop a couple of times where the rains have opened up on us and they've hit it hard, and on the top I've had a perfect layer of water that I've just whipped away and then closed the bike back up. You can also get a more significant children's cover, so if you're out in the rain, the children aren't getting soaking wet in the bucket in the front. Of course, we're all quite concerned with what cargo it can carry, but at the end of the day, someone's got to ride the thing. So what is it like to ride the Carrie, and how does this cockpit benefit the rider? The first thing you'll notice straight away is the handlebars are slightly higher than the seat. What this does is it makes sure that rather than like on a traditional road bike or a mountain bike where you're thrown forward into an aggressive riding position, the Carrie keeps you slightly more upright, which is important for an urban bicycle because you want to keep your head above and all that traffic that you're going to be weaving in and out of, making sure you can see pedestrians, other cyclists. So visibility is key. Also, it's fully equipped with mudguard lights, so for your riding convenience, you're not worried about the weather that's going to be hitting you or darkness that's falling on these early winter evenings, and they are a great set of front and rear lights. Also, the Bosch display on here is really bright, really easy to read and super minimalistic. So if you're someone who's not super technology conscious, or you really just can't be bothered with connecting your phone to everything, that's not something you have to do with this bike. You can simply jump on and ride. So it's all go for the Carrie, but what happens when we're having to stop? The Carrie has a really great set of Magura brakes on the front, designed to be user-friendly. They're not sporting brakes. So what you do is you just gently pull them on and you'll feel that grip get ever tighter and tighter and tighter. So they're really easy to use and almost have a natural level of ABS to them because they don't have that sharp response, making the bike really user-friendly, and it slows down in a nice, controlled and yet powerful manner. One thing in the workshop that we always notice on any bike is the kickstand. The kickstand on the Carrie is really good. Both of us at the workshop really like it because it's just too easy to use. To get the bike off, you simply push the bike forwards, and then to reapply it, you simply have to just put your foot on the top, it lowers down to the ground, and then absolutely no effort, it will just fly back up onto that kickstand really easy. Of course, with any Bosch powered bike, the motor is the heart of the whole vehicle, and so how does the performance line perform in this bike? With 75 Newton meters of torque, it's going to be perfectly adequate to push anything. You can hold up to 80 kilos in the front here. It's also really well geared with this Nexus hub in there. This is specifically designed for e-bikes, so you don't have to shift as often. You can use your modes more, which makes the whole user experience a lot easier, a lot more simplified. Again, if you're someone who's not super technology focused and someone who's not ultra bicycle focused, it hits that really sweet spot where you can just easily learn to ride this bike and use it, because admittedly it's quite an intimidating shape for someone who's not already a cyclist. The Carrie has quite cute small wheels on either end. These are 20-inch wheels, and the reason why they've chosen that is because it keeps that nimble and slick feeling. It also keeps all the weight very low down to the ground, which gives you this real sense of stability when you're riding. And ironically, putting a bit of weight into the bike, such as boxes, children, it keeps it feeling stable, low and centered, rather than other bicycles where you'd have to put a child on a rear rack here where the child is behind you and all of their weight is hoisted up high. It means that all of a sudden the bike feels very top heavy. With the Carrie, it completely eliminates that issue when it comes to carrying a lot more on a single bicycle. Carries are officially one of the most sustainable bikes produced by Riese Müller, using over 80% recycled aluminium in the frames. All the plastic in the box is fully recycled as well. Also, any of the fabric that comes with the bike, so these waterproof rain covers, the children's seats, those are all able to be repaired now by a Riese Müller workshop, so you can send them away, get them repaired, have them back on the bike, and you've not had to purchase a whole brand new set of covers for it. Also, Schwalbe tyres, they're signed up to sustainable rubber schemes now to make sure tyres are ethically sourced. So it's phenomenal to see a really eco-friendly bike, and also one that was really eco-conscious in their building process.